अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। उम्मीद है कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे और खुश होंगे। आज हम लोग सीखेंगे बायो के चैप्टर नंबर 2 के शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, डू यू थिंक दैट मैन हैज ऑलवेज बीन अ बायोलॉजिस्ट? इफ सो व्हाई? मैन हैज ऑलवेज बीन a biologist. He had to be a biologist in order to live. Early in history, he was hunter of animals and a gatherer of roots, seeds and roots. The more he knew about animals and their habitat, the more successful hunter he was. The more he knew about plants, the better he distinguished between edible and non-edible plants. Define biologist. The scientific method in which biologists problem are solved is termed a biological method. It comprises the steps a biologist adopt in order to solve a biological problem. How biological method has played an important part in scientific research. The biologist method has played an instrumental role in scientific research for almost 50 years. From Galileo experiment back in the 1590s to current research, the biologist method has contributed to advanced in medicine, ecology, technology, etc. The biological method ensures that the quality of the data for the public use. Right step of biological method in a sequence. Biological method involved in the following step. Main step, recognition of the biological problem, observation, hypothesis formation, deduction, experimentation, summarization of results, reporting the results. Define biological problem. A question related to living organism that is either asked by someone and come in the biologist's mind by himself is called the biological problem. For example, malaria. What is the difference between qualitative and quantitative observation? Qualitative observations are considered less accurate. These observations are variable and less measurable. These cannot be recorded in terms of number. The freezing point of water is colder than the boiling point. A liter of water is heavier than a liter of ethanol. Quantitative observation. Quantitative observations are considered more accurate. These observations are invariable and measurable. These can be recorded in terms of number. For example, the freezing point of water is 0 and the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. A liter of water weighs 1,000 grams and a liter of ethanol weighs 789 grams. Why quantitative observation are better in biological method? Quantitative observation are better because these are invariable and measurable and can be recorded in terms of number. For example, the freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius and the boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. How did Darwin formulate the theory of evolution? Darwin not only observed and took notes during his voyage, but he also read the work from other naturalists to form his theory of evolution. Define hypothesis. A tentative explanation of observation is called a hypothesis. A proposition that might be true is called a hypothesis. For example, Plasmodium is cause of malaria. How hypothesis is formed? A great deal of careful and creative thinking is necessary for the formulation of a hypothesis. Biologists use reasoning to formulate a hypothesis. What are the characteristics of a good hypothesis? A good hypothesis should have the following characteristics. It should be a general statement. It should be a tentative idea. It should agree with available observation. It should be kept simple as possible, it should be testable and potentially falsifiable. In other words, there should be a way to show that the hypothesis is false, a way to disprove the hypothesis. उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको इसकी समझ आई होगी। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो चैनल को लाइक कीजिएगा और सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। तब मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।